Capital F. Draw one standing line from first red line to second blue line. Next, from top of the standing line, draw one sleeping line on first red line. Now, from middle of the standing line, draw another sleeping line on first blue line. This is capital F. Small f. Start little down from the first red line. Take a small left turn and go straight down. And stop at the second blue line. Now, from the middle of the standing line, draw a sleeping line on the first blue line. This is small f.
F for fish. F I S H fish. F for frog. F R O G frog. F for fan. F A N fan. F for flag. F L A G flag.
Capital G. Draw a right curve between the first red line and second blue line. From the end of the right curve, go up little straight and touch the first blue line. From there, draw a small sleeping line on the first blue line and come straight downwards to touch the second blue line. This is capital G. Small g. Draw a right curve from the first blue line to the second blue line. Now, lift the pencil and draw a standing line by touching the ends of the curve till the second blue line and take a turn to left side. This is small g.
G for glass. G L A S S glass. G for grapes. G R A P E S grapes. G for gun. G U N. Gun. G for girl. G I R L. Girl.
Capital H. Draw a standing line from first red line to second blue line. By taking a small space, draw another standing line from first red line to second blue line. Now, draw a sleeping line on first blue line to join the two standing lines. This is capital H. Small h. Draw a standing line from first red line to second blue line. Now, from the middle of the standing line, take a small turn from left to right and go straight down and stop at the second blue line. This is small h.
H for house. H O U S E. House. H for hen. H E N. Hen. H for horse. H O R S E. Horse. H for hat. H A T. Hat.
Capital I. Draw a standing line from first red line to second blue line. Now, draw one sleeping line equally over the top of the standing line and draw another sleeping line equally over the bottom of the standing line. This is capital I. Small I. Draw a standing line between the two blue lines and put a dot just above the top of the standing line. This is small I.
I for igloo. I G L O O. Igloo. I for inkpot. I N K P O T. Inkpot. I for iron box. I R O N B O X. Iron box. I for ice cream. I C E C R E A M. Ice cream.
Capital J. Draw a standing line from first red line to second blue line and take a small left turn. Now, draw a sleeping line equally over the standing line. This is capital J. Small j. Draw a standing line from first blue line to second red line and take small left turn. Now, put a dot just above the top of the standing line. This is small j.
J for jam. J A M. Jam. J for jug. J U G. Jug. J for jeep. J E E P. Jeep. J for joker. J O K E R. Joker.